Oh, dude.
Open your goofy FL Studio and apply the same project settings as the last tutorial. Then, you just want to make a simple span pattern. After you're done making the pattern, copy and paste it. Then you want to use this arrow to scale the pasted pattern to 75%. And also, FL Studio shows at the top of the screen where it says at what percentage the pattern is scaled to. It'll sound a little bit like this. Then, you just want to repeat the process. After you're done, you can render the pattern as an audio file. If you've done it correctly, it should sound something like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it.